Galileo, who brought out physics from empty philosophy. Galileo is often remembered as the scientist who stood by the truth to the end. Yet, his story begins with a quiet question. He challenged what people had long taken for granted. How did people once understand the world? Aristotle claimed that heavier objects fall faster, and that Earth lies at the center of the universe. Remarkably, these ideas went largely unquestioned for nearly 2,000 years, like living by an old map believed to be the real world. One day, Galileo stopped at a very ordinary sight. Hailstones, large and small, were falling at nearly the same speed. If this was you, would you have ignored the hailstones? Or would you have raised a question? Picture this scene. Two balls are dropped from the top of a tall tower. What happens? The balls reach the ground almost at the same time. Whether heavy or light, the speed of falling does not differ. At first, this may feel unfamiliar. In everyday life, heavier objects seem to fall faster. But without air resistance, nature follows a much simpler rule. When objects fall, weight does not matter. They accelerate in the same way. The start and the motion are the same, and the moment of arrival becomes nearly the same. This simple principle overturned a 2,000-year belief that heavier objects fall faster. What about you? When what you see differs from the hidden rules of nature, which do you trust more? Galileo chose questions. Then he tried to verify them himself. He trusted what he saw over the authority of books. In the end, he showed that if air resistance is ignored, all objects fall at the same speed. Galileo did not stop there. He built a telescope and observed the sky. He discovered that the universe was very different from what had been believed. By observing the moon's rough surface and Jupiter's moons, he broke the idea that the heavens are perfect. His discovery caused a great upheaval. At the time, truth was believed to lie in scripture and philosophy. New facts were seen as dangerous. In the end, Galileo was forced to withdraw his claims and spent the rest of his life under house arrest. So, consider this. If we had lived in that era, what would we have believed? Authority in books or facts before our eyes? Galileo's true greatness did not come from knowing many things. It came from asking why and choosing to verify it directly. When empty philosophy met experiment and mathematics, physics was born. Perhaps mathematics is not about finding answers, but about the courage to pursue a question to the very end.